Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've completed. This was using my new technique of trying this kind of journal cover, and yesterday I posted a tutorial on how I done a journal like this, well, a journal cover like this. So this was the one that I started last week and I have completed it. It is another bird nature themed journal using a kit from ARTYmaze, and I will link that below. So that's the spine story, but the shadowing it's very dark and it's artificial light. So that is the back, and it's all kind of crinkled and kind of old looking and kind of leathery look. So we have got this image here from one of ARTYmaze's kits, because she's got a few bird themed ones and nature themed ones, so I've kind of incorporated quite a few of the kits into this journal. I've just stamped the word explore here and just backed that onto some cardstock and glued that on there. Eyelets and seam binding as a closure, and you can see there's 3 signatures. The journal measures 6 3/4 by 4 3/4, and it's got a 2-inch spine. It has 3 signatures, 120 pages front and back. So let's do a flip through. On the inside cover there's just a digital lined paper from the kit that you can journal on. So I just made these little flip up, flip downs, and added some scrap pieces of lace and bits and bobs that I had. And this is from one of the kits, and some of these are backed onto double-sided coffee-dyed or tea-dyed paper, so they're kind of squishy. Here is just a large ticket. There is plenty of places to journal. Here I've just created some side pockets using these little pockets from the kit. Done some tags and so on the images on there. Oops. I'm all fingers and thumbs today. Some music paper, some edge punched paper. Here I just made a little flip out, and I've kind of heavily distressed that. Done some edge punching there, used some paper from the kit, and also put a pocket on here using one of the images, and there's a tag inside there. Oh, and it's also open there, so you can tuck things inside there. So that goes in there. Here we've just got an envelope. There's nothing in the envelope, but it's been coffee dyed. There is a mixture of coffee dyeing and tea dyeing within or throughout the journal, and stenciling, middle of the signature. Here I've just made a little flip out there, and this isn't from the kit, but it had a birdie on it, so I used it, and it's just an envelope. Papers are ever so pretty, and very rarely do I ever cover them over. This isn't from the kit, but again it had a birdie on it, so I used it, and it's just got a tag and it pops in there. Here we've just got a side tuck journal card and a little envelope with a double journaling card. And that pops in there. So onto the second signature. Here we've just got a little pocket here, and I made a pocket tag with 2 little tags inside, and that just goes in there. Well, if it wants to. Oh, get in. There we go. And that just goes in there. Another ticket. Some lined paper, not lined paper, squared paper. Another tag and a journaling card. And that just sits in there. Some music paper. Here's another one of these little pockets with some scrap pieces of fabrics on there. So we've got this little flip out, journal on that, and a little envelope with the double journaling card. That's from the kit. And that just pops in there. Just made a pocket using one of the backing papers. Got a journaling card here and another one of these little pockets with a tag inside. Another pocket. That's just a little journaling card that flips out, and another journaling card. Another pocket, another tag, and a little envelope with a journaling card inside. I think I'm sat too far away and I'm really stretching to do this. Should have sat a little bit closer. Third signature here is just, this was something that I saw, well, Paula Lemon's done them, and Clemmy the Scrappy Monster, she's been doing these, and she showed us a few weeks ago some of the ones that she'd made, so I just made a little one here, so you can journal on that as well. And it just tucks in, and this is like a stretchy lace that's on there, so it just holds it down. Another ticket, another tag and a journaling card, some music paper, another tag, and one of these envelopes which is just like that. You can pop something inside there. Middle of the signature, this is another envelope and a corner tuck. Tag in there, and another one of these flip up flip down pockets with another tag with tags inside. And that is the end of the journal. So nice little chunky one. This will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested, and I will be back soon, not today, but I will be back soon to show you my next project. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.